Welcome to AI Elevation. Are you looking for ways to study smarter, not harder? Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 powerful study techniques that will supercharge your learning and help you achieve your academic goals. Whether you're prepping for exams or just trying to stay on top of your studies, these methods will transform the way you approach learning. Stay tuned, and let's dive into the strategies that can take your studying to the next level. Boost your productivity with the Pomodoro technique. Focus intensely for 25 minutes, then reward yourself with a quick break. Repeat and watch your productivity soar. Break your study time into 25-minute focused sessions, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Number 2, transform your study routine with active recall. Test yourself often to reinforce your memory and conquer your exams with confidence. Test yourself regularly on the material you are studying instead of just reviewing notes. This strengthens memory retention and understanding. Number 3, master the art of long-term retention with spaced repetition. Review material at strategic intervals to build a strong foundation and achieve lasting success. Review material at increasing intervals over time. This technique helps in long-term retention and avoids cramming. Number 4, elevate your learning by teaching others. The teach-back method solidifies your knowledge and reveals what you truly understand. Teach the material to someone else, or even to yourself. This reinforces your understanding and highlights areas that need improvement. Unleash your creativity with mind mapping. Organize and visualize information to connect ideas and enhance your understanding. Create visual diagrams to organize information and see connections between concepts. This helps in better understanding and recall. Thanks for watching. I hope these study techniques will help you reach your academic goals and make your learning journey more effective and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Let's keep growing and learning together. See you in the next video, and remember, success starts with the right mindset and the best study habits.